Today we have the hard to find, high demand, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with 3-car garage on a large lot in one of the best locations in all of Redding. Let's go explore. The master is very unique because it has 2 separate closets, 2 separate sink areas, a soaking tub. If someone's looking for a little Airbnb income, student housing, or even just a great place to host guests, this home will do that. So it's got a fully shaded back patio, perfect for summer. You also have a river rock fireplace, which is gas, so you don't have to bring any firewood, but you get the look and the feel of being in a log cabin up in the mountains. This is absolutely one of the best and most desired locations in all of Redding. I'm JR, and our team's goal is to have a 5-star real estate experience here in Redding, where the world wants to live.